Here we come to the elevator at Bank of America in College Station, Texas. Listen to the relay. Love the sound of the relay. Oh, it's Montgomery Kone. According to records, it's used to be an ESCO. Alright, listen to the motor, here we go. Down to one. Go for one more ride. Chime twice for up? Three times for down. That's glitched. All right, let's go back down to one end there. I want to send this up and I'll let you watch it go and listen to the relay. Wow, that is beautiful. All right, there it goes, and that's it.